Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
Well, yesterday we had some warmer air move on through. High temperatures reached the low to mid 60s. Did not break a record of 79 degrees set back in 1999. But the one thing that we did see along with that warmer air is some windy conditions. Take a look at some of these top wind gusts across the South Plains yesterday. Now, Lubbock was not that impressive compared to some of those areas up to the north of Lubbock. 36 mile per hour was the top recorded wind gust at Lubbock International Airport. But looks like Dimmick came in at the big winner at 48 miles per hour yesterday, with Happy at about 47 mile per hour, a max sustained wind gust. So definitely not seeing that this morning, and that's the good news. We are still relatively breezy, though. Winds right now are sustained out of the west at about 15 to 20 miles per hour in level land as some rain pushes on through there. So level land starting to get in on a little bit of some light rain showers this morning. Watching the system off in eastern New Mexico. That'll continue to drift on through the state line, but zooming on in up north just a little bit. Silverton all the way down to Plainview, experiencing a few light rain showers. Same thing with Freona and Dimmick currently at the moment, but that bulk of the rainfall early this morning is right near Tatum and in Lee County, eastern New Mexico. As it continues to move across the state line, we'll be expecting to see a few more light rain showers throughout the day today. So our Freona live sky view, we are waking up to overcast conditions, a few sprinkles outside right now. Kind of hard to see as we really don't have a lot of light besides this one that's kind of blurring our vision right now. But we will continue to see these isolated rain chances throughout the rest of the morning, with the bulk of the rainfall arriving later on this afternoon. So a few more isolated to potentially scattered showers later this morning. By this afternoon, after about 12 o'clock, that's when we get the bulk of the rainfall really moving on in. Notice that we have some snow mixing in some of our higher elevations off in eastern New Mexico and off to the north and to the west of Lubbock. Much of the South Plains will actually remain snow free. We are going to be seeing mostly light rainfall across the area later on today. Still keeping those isolated snow chances into eastern New Mexico by later on this evening before everything diminishes overnight tonight. Maybe a few lingering showers overnight tonight and a few lingering showers by tomorrow morning. And then we'll be left with dry conditions by tomorrow afternoon. So in terms of what we could be expecting, most of the rolling plains will actually stay dry and overcast. Can't rule out some rainfall across much of the South Plains, though. Looks like, though, off to the north and to the west of Lubbock in those higher elevations in eastern New Mexico, could see some rainfall mixing in with some wet flakes and some sleet, but looks like temperatures at the surface will be above freezing this afternoon. That's the good news, which means that any snow that falls is not going to stick. So we're not expecting any high accumulation event, really nothing to worry about. The thing that we are going to be worrying about tonight, though, is when temperatures fall below freezing, then we'll have some black ice on the roads, not only in eastern New Mexico, but all across the South Plains. This morning, though, waking up to cold conditions, feels like temperatures into the 20s and 30s. This afternoon, getting a lot colder than we had yesterday. Temperatures will be into the lower 50s and upper 40s. We'll be expecting on and off rain showers throughout the day today. Maybe a few isolated showers overnight tonight. And then we will see maybe a lingering shower or two by tomorrow morning. After that, we clear out those clouds, we clear out that rainfall. Then we'll be left with mostly sunny conditions by tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures into the mid 50s, 60s once again by Saturday, cooling back down into the 50s by Sunday. That lasts all the way through Tuesday. And then once again, the 60s return. So up and down in temperatures, but for now, just focus on some of that rainfall if you are traveling back today or traveling out of town today. May want to, of course, keep that umbrella on hand. Some slick roadways since we haven't had a lot of rainfall recently. And then tomorrow morning, some black ice possible.
Yeah, black ice is definitely always scary, so please be safe out there.
Yeah, be safe on the roads tomorrow morning.
Awesome.